So this is my first sculpture piece. I've never done sculpture before or tried clay before. So I came here with zero ideas at all, and Miss Tin helped me develop some ideas over what I like. So this is of my cat, and the idea evolved while making this, and the final product's really nice, and the teacher was really nice as well. Thank you.
I'm here for my portfolio development, the portfolio for my applications.
And where are you planning to apply?
I think I plan to apply more like the US for sure, and then the UK as well. But those are my two majors.
The program offers a wide range of opportunities for me to discover my strengths.
I really hope that's like a second level or something to this course, because if there is, please let me know. I'd love to do another course. I just really enjoyed it and I learned a lot. So thank you, Miss Kausha.
So I just want to ask you that you think it was a good decision to come all the way here to do your portfolio?
I think it was the best decision I've made I think it was the best decision mostly because this is my holiday time, this is my summer holidays, but I think I'm using it very wisely, and I think giving importance to this is quite important in itself, and I think making a decision to come here was the best, and generally I'm very happy with this decision.
Not only increased my creative capacity, but also improved my artistic skills.
Hi, my name is Anushri and I'm from Belgium. I study in Antwerp International School, and I was recommended by one of my counselors about Artiste360 to develop my art skills as well as character.
Hi everyone, I'm Prishti and I'm from Vadodara, Gujarat, and I've come to Bombay and I work with this studio called Artiste360 and I found it great. I had a great experience.
When I came here was to work and have a portfolio. I thought we would just be working, but when I came here it was fun and work. We talked, we had so much fun, we also did work side by side. So I think it was a great experience, and we've made quite a lot of pieces for my portfolio, and they're amazing. So it was overall an amazing experience and I loved it too.
I think the pieces that have come out, the pieces that I've made, all the mediums that I've tried, mixed mediums that I've tried, I've stepped out of my comfort zone for a few. I've taken some risks and they've turned out to look amazing, and I think that made me more confident also. So one key to come here was also developing within myself, and I also feel like the communication with teachers, communication with Tara ma'am herself, and I think that was excellent. That they are the best.
I've never walked on the streets of Bombay and done photography, so I just feel it was the best and it was one of the most unique ideas. So I loved it, and also thanks to Abhijit sir and Kosha ma'am for giving me this experience. Thank you.
Hi. So I personally really enjoyed this course, and I've already recommended it to a lot of my friends who are into digital art and stuff.
They teach you very well. They have amazing techniques for teaching. They're all professionals and they're amazing.
Talking about my portfolio a little bit, I've tried a lot of different mediums such as charcoal and animation, architecture, comic drawing, photography, and many more.
I feel joining here has helped me build my ideas, consider the medium as well as the idea, which medium is best for which idea, not just if I were to do this by myself, I would just throw in an idea with a medium, put it together, not consider whether it would go together or not. That's why I feel like that was really helpful from Artiste360, where they really helped me not only with the idea, not only with the piece, some finishing touches, end moment finishing touches. It's not we made a piece and it turned out the way we wanted to. There were some pieces that was thought differently and turned out differently, but I think if I were to have that situation, it would be a full panic attack situation. Rather here, I feel like it worked out as a whole.
All right, Kavya, thank you so much. We love you so much. And when you leave, we'll miss you for sure.
I'll miss you too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
The program brought a drastic change in my perspective towards art and design, and truly made me fall in love with the process of learning. Teachers were extremely helpful and warm, and guided me in the best possible way to skillfully complete my portfolio.
And I would love to thank Tarang ma'am. I think she gave me this wonderful experience of coming to the studio.
Working with different teachers gave me a different perspective about everything. Like working with the teacher who taught me portraits and figure study, it gave me a different perspective on how to do it, how to go about it. And working with a sculpture teacher, learning about clay, learning about how anatomy comes in use of sculpture also, was also a different experience for me. So I think it was overall, I learned a lot here. So it was a very good learning experience.
I would like to thank Ms. Tarang Jain and Yavya, as well as all the other teachers, for helping me through this journey.
Normally, I take some time in making decisions, but this was the best decision, and I think it's a 10 on 10 because everything has turned out the way I wanted to, with so much guidance and so much help. Like, can't imagine.
About one of my favorite ones, the comic drawing.
I feel I'm gonna continue this when I go back home, and I'm gonna take and draw value out of it, and I just loved it.
I think I stressed out quite a lot, whether we say like it was online or offline, but I think the teachers and Tarang ma'am herself also like managed me, carried me together. Like we were working as a team, and working with the teachers was like a stress buster as well, but you know, it kind of stressed me out internally. I just felt like it was such a buster for me, where sometimes I was just not understanding what to do, my ideas weren't as good, and that's when like the teachers and Tarang ma'am came in, where they helped me so much. So that stress buster was definitely there, but it's still a 10 on 10.
I think this program in general is really helpful to develop skills as well as a strong portfolio for universities.
Did this program, did working with us build your confidence in yourself?
Yeah.
In yourself?
Yeah,
How
it's just that
how you think, first of all?
Yeah.
And number two, how you start working on a piece, like
Yeah.
how should you start
process.
the process? So you
Yeah.
understood what should be your process before you actually make a piece.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think that was a big